Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to the Prem Bhakti Chandrika series. Today we are going to discuss verse number 110, and the theme is Radha Krishna's names. So verse goes like this. कृष्ण नाम गाने भाई राधिका चरण पाई राधा नाम गाने कृष्ण चंद्र संक्षेपे कहिनु कथा घुचाओ मनेर व्यथा दुख दुखमय अन्य कथा द्वंद्व और दुखमय अन्य कथा धंद another variation. So the meaning is like that. Krishna Nama Gane Bhai Radhika Charana Bhai. By singing Krishna's name, Hey Krishna, Govinda, or Hare Krishna Mahamantra, one achieves, one receives Radharani's lotus feet, obtains Radharani's lotus feet, and by chanting Radharani's name, one obtains Krishna. So this is the essence of all Vedic literature. This is all essence of all instructions regarding sadhya and sadhan. Uh, Sankshepe kahinu katha. In short, in brief, this is the essence. Kuchao manera vyatha. Now give up all the misery of the mind. And dukkhamaya anya katha dvandva. Know that everything else, any other instruction is simply misery giving illusion. So let's elaborate. It is prayed by Shri Prabodhananda Saraswati Thakur that Radha Nam Sudhar Samrasayitum Jivvastu me Vivvala Padau Tatpadakankitasu Charatam Datavi Vithishu Tatkarmaiva Karah Karotu Hridayam Tasya Padam Dhyayata Tadbhavotsavata Param Bhavatu me Tatprananathe Ratihi Radha Nam Sudharasam Rasaitum Jivvastu me Vivala. Let my tongue become eager to taste Radharani's nectarian names, Radha, Radha, or Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Padav tat padakankitasu charatam vrindatavi vithishu, and let my feet wander in the pastime places of Vrindavan. Tatkarmaiva karah karotu hridayam. So only one kara is mentioned, right hand probably. So let my both hands act like right hand in serving Radharani, or let my hands become one in serving Radharani. So which also shows eagerness or dexterity. Word dexterity comes from right hand. So tatkarmaiva karah karotu hridayam tasyapadam dhyayata. Let my heart meditate upon her lotus feet. And tadbhavotsavata param bhamatu me tatprananathe rati. Let me have rati towards Krishna, who is prananath of Radharani. So we do want Krishna rati, definitely, but not independently. We want Krishna rati, Krishna being uh, prananath of Radharani. Tatprananathe rati. That Krishna. And tad bhavotsavata, by following the mood of Radharani's bhav towards Krishna, being a part of that, that way we want Krishna Rati. This is called actually Tattat Bhavechatma, desiring to feel what Radharani must be feeling by doing, by uh, by serving her lotus feet and doing Sadharani Karan. So what Sadharani Karan is, we want to feel how the Manjaris feel when they serve Radharani. So alaukikya prakrutyeyam सुदुरूहा रसस्थिति साधारण यत्र साधारणतया भावा साधु स्फुरन्त्यमि. This is in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, that by inconceivable nature of transcendental world, uh, if we try to sympathize or empathize with the mood of Radharani towards Krishna, those moods will manifest in our heart. So that is called a Tattat Bhavechatma. Follow in the footsteps of course, Radharani's maid servant side, Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, etc. And not only that, Radharani's lotus feet are to be worshipped by those who want to develop conjugal service towards Krishna. Of course, for them it is mandatory, in a sense that to get the highest experience of Krishna Rati. It happens only through uh, experiencing Radharani's mood towards Krishna. So, uh, so such a Shungara Rati Upasak will receive Krishna Rati towards Krishna, and Shringara Rati towards Krishna, and special type of Bhavollasa Rati it is called. Um, a particular kind of maid servanthood towards Radharani, which is called as Varadasya. And somebody who serves Krishna in a Vatsalya mood will develop similar Vatsalya towards Radharani also. So they are also supposed to take shelter or meditate both upon Radharani and Krishna. If somebody wants to serve Krishna in a Sakya mode, they will also develop appropriate, suitable service attitude towards Radharani, just like Subal and Madhumangal does service to Radharani in that sense. So they are worshipable for all sorts of devotees who want to serve Vraj Krishna. Radharani's lotus feet are worshipable for all sorts of devotees who want to worship Vraj Krishna. And it is mentioned by Prabodhananda Saraswati Thakur that Jagrat Swapna Sushuptishu Spuratume Radha Padabjachata Vaikunthe Naraketava Mamagatir Nanyastu Radham Vina. Whether I go to Vaikuntha or whether I go to hell, let me always, my destination should be Radharani's lotus feet. Let, let me meditate upon her lotus feet. May they manifest in all three states of sleeping, awakening, or dreaming. And Radha Keli Katha Sudham Buddhimaha Vichi Virandolitam Kalindi Tatakunja Mandir Vara Linde Mano Vindadu. Let my mind stay in the grooves of kunjas and be tossed by the waves of the ocean of Radharani's ecstatic pastimes with Krishna. These are the prayers. Krishna Nama Gane Bhai, Radhika Charana Pai, Radha Nama Gane, Krishna Chandra. Sankshepe Kahilu Katha. This is in essence the gist and or the essence of all instructions. Guchao Manera Vyatha. All the Vyatha due to of mind, all the misery of mind due to connection with body and bodily relatives and bodily possessions, let that all be vanquished. Or Manera Vyatha, misery of mind regarding sadhya sadhan, asambhavana or viparit bhavana, let all that be contrary mood, let that all be vanquished. Dukkha maya anya katha dvandva. So just know that chanting Radha Krishna's names is the best upay. Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Nama, eva kevalam kalau nasteva, nasteva, nasteva gatiranyatha. Everything else nasteva gatiranyatha. It is just dukkhamay anya katha dvandva. There is no perfection by any other process. This is the gist, and with that, we will conclude. Krishna willing, we will meet again. Till then, have a very nice Krishna conscious day. Hare Krishna.